Prime Minister Narendra Modi has added another feather to his cap during the pandemic. A recent analysis conducted by a US firm revealed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's popularity rose during the coronavirus pandemic. A US-based research firm, Morning Consult, tracked the approval rating of leaders across several countries. Accordingly, the survey showed that 75% people approve of Prime Minister Modi, while 20% disapprove, making his net approval rating 55%. The research firm also stated that this rating is higher than any other leader in the world. The research firm's political intelligence surveyed political leaders of 13 countries, including Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, India, US, and the United Kingdom. However, according to the website, the approximate sample size of the survey in the country was 2,126 with a margin of error of 2.2%. Noting the survey revealed by the US-based research firm, several political leaders including BJP President JP Nadda and Union Environmental Minister Prakash Javadekar praised the Prime Minister. BJP President JP Nadda further took to social media and hailed the Prime Minister for his efficient handling of various issues including COVID-19 pandemic. The party president said, "This is a testimony to his able leadership and a matter of pride for all Indians." Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's popularity not only rises unabated across all demographic groups and geographic regions of the country, and he also gets a thumbs up globally for his dedication to his country. PM Modi ranks number 1 among all global leaders in these challenging times. He further stated that the country is progressing under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Ever since the Modi-led government came into power, people's trust in the government and the faith that nation is progressing in the right direction has risen drastically. This rating is the testimony of his able leadership and hard work and is a thing of pride for all Indians. In another post, JP Nadda praised the Prime Minister for making effective leadership globally. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, rated highest among world leaders by American research firm Morning Consult. Our Prime Minister has yet again emerged the most popular head of government for his efficient handling of various issues and management of the COVID-19 crisis.
कार्यकाल के दौरान जनता में उनकी छवि कैसी है, इसके बारे में अपना सर्वे और रिसर्च करती हैं। मॉर्निंग कंसल्ट तो दुनिया की एक प्रतिष्ठित फर्म है। इसके सर्वे में ये बात स्पष्ट हुई है कि वैश्विक स्तर पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी दुनिया के सबसे लोकप्रिय राजनेता के रूप में उभर करके एक बार फिर से सामने आए हैं। नेट अप्रूवल की जो स्थिति है वह प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के पक्ष में सर्वाधिक देखने को मिली है। अप्रूवल रेटिंग में
Besides Prime Minister Modi, even Mexico's President Andrés Manuel López Obrador and Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison's popularity rose during the pandemic. On the other hand, United Kingdom Prime Minister Boris Johnson received negative ratings as more people disapprove of his work.